There's a famous saying that you only get one chance to make a good first impression. This is especially true when it comes to writing. When you write an essay, your introduction paragraph is your one chance to make a good first impression. As a writer, your goal for your introduction should be to make your reader interested and want to read more. Help your reader understand the nature and importance of your subject, and help your reader understand your purpose for writing. Many teachers say that there are three main parts when it comes to writing an introduction: the hook, the background information, and the thesis. Just like a hook can be used to catch fish, you want to hook your reader's attention. Most readers would not be interested in reading an essay if the first sentence looked like this: "The earthworm is a worm that burrows in the earth." However, your reader might be interested in reading something that read, "Measuring more than 40 centimeters long, Dave is the largest earthworm ever discovered in the United Kingdom." In this situation, the writer caught the reader's attention by introducing an interesting and less well-known fact. Other popular ways of writing a hook include quoting something that is thought-provoking, asking a question, and introducing a controversial point of view. Some writers find it more effective to write the hook after the other parts of the introduction paragraph have already been written. The background information prepares your reader to understand what your subject is about and begin to understand why it is important. The background information describes important introductory details so that your reader will better appreciate the significance of your subject. You see how the background image changed the meaning of the action? Your writing should do the same. Your background information is usually general information that is not too highly specialized. Background information is also fairly brief and usually doesn't take more than just a few sentences. However, it's important that your background information gives enough information that your reader is prepared to understand your main idea and appreciate its importance. The thesis is the most important part of your introduction paragraph, and even the most important part of your essay. It is the sentence or sentences that should clearly communicate the main idea or the writer's point of view on the subject. The thesis can express an opinion, identify a cause and effect relationship, propose a solution, make a specific comparison, refute another person's argument. Whatever the purpose of your essay is, that purpose should be clearly communicated in your thesis statement. In shorter academic essays, especially for tests or timed writings, the thesis statement is usually written as the very last sentence in the introduction paragraph. There is also a very convenient way to organize your thesis statement, which many teachers expect to see, and that is to include your subtopics or supporting details in the same sentence as your main idea. For example, what if I am writing a persuasive essay, and the goal of the essay is to persuade my reader to follow my recommendations for saving money? I could write, "The most effective ways to save money are to spend less than you earn, write down all of your expenses, and regularly review your budget." We see in this example that the topic is how to save money. The subtopics are spending less than you earn, writing down all of your expenses, and regularly reviewing your budget. As the reader, we can expect that these subtopics will be explained in more detail in the body of the essay. It's helpful to include these subtopics or supporting details in your thesis statement because they give your reader a little map of what to expect as they start reading your essay.